If you've been trying to justify text in Lucidchart and can't find the option, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Lucidchart supports, how to align text properly, and the fastest way to format your shapes and text boxes so they look clean and professional. And just so you know right away, Lucidchart does not have full justification like a word processor. That means you cannot flush text evenly to both the left and right sides. What you can do is align text to the left, center, or right, depending on the layout you want. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document and find the shape or text box you want to format. To make any changes, you need to select the text first. You can do that by clicking once on the text box or shape. If you want to edit the actual words inside, double-click to enter text editing mode. This is important because Lucidchart only shows the formatting tools once the text object is selected. Now look at the top toolbar on your canvas. This is where Lucidchart keeps the text formatting options. Find the text alignment icon, which usually looks like a few horizontal lines. Click that icon to open the alignment menu. This menu gives you the options that Lucidchart supports for text placement. From here, you can choose left, center, or right alignment. If you want your text to look clean and easy to read, left alignment is usually the default and the most common choice. If you want something more balanced or visually centered inside a shape, choose center. And if you need the text to sit closer to the right edge, choose right. If you are specifically looking for full justification, it's important to understand the limitation here. Lucidchart does not currently support text justification that stretches each line to match both margins, so if your goal is a word processor style justified paragraph, that option simply isn't available inside Lucidchart. But for most diagram and flowchart layouts, left, center, and right alignment are usually enough to make your design look polished. While you're in the same formatting and bar, you can also adjust other text settings to improve the look of your content. You can change the font style, increase or decrease the text size, switch the text color, and use bold, italic, or underline if you want to emphasize certain words. This is really helpful if you're building diagrams, labels, process boxes, or presentation style visuals in Lucidchart. A good workflow is to start by choosing the right alignment first, then fine-tune the rest of the formatting. For example, if your text is inside a small box, center alignment can make it feel more balanced. If you're working with longer labels or notes, left alignment usually gives the cleanest result. And if you want a more formal look for a title or callout, right alignment can be useful in the right design. If you don't see the alignment controls right away, make sure the object is actually selected. Sometimes users click on the canvas and think the tools are missing, but Lucidchart only shows these options once a text box or shape is active. So if needed, click the text again, double-click to edit, and then check the Properties toolbar at the top. So to recap, the answer to how to justify text in Lucidchart is that full justification isn't available. Instead, you can use left, center, or right alignment to position your text inside shapes and text boxes. That gives you flexible control over how your diagram looks, even without a true justify option. If this quick tutorial saved you time, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lucidchart tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.